You don't always need closure to move on. Not every story ends with an explanation. And not every wound needs an apology to heal. One closure doesn't always come from others. Sometimes the person who hurt you will never understand what they did. And waiting for their explanation keeps you stuck. True healing begins when you stop asking why. The moment you stop replaying the past, you create space for peace. Healing starts when you accept what you cannot change. 3. Moving on is a decision, not a conversation. You don't need one last message. You don't need one last answer. You just need to choose yourself. You are allowed to move forward, even if things were left unsaid. Your peace matters more than their explanation. Closure is not something you receive. It's something you give yourself.